All right, let me show you how to create profiles automatically on different forums. We'll be doing it to Expression Engine forums in a sec. And same deal as creating profiles on bookmarking sites. I've got my blank current. I've got a blank profile signups. Same deal. They live here. We'll be pulling data off the profile signups data CSV file, and I'll be opening that up in a bit just to show you what that looks like. But basically, this is all set to go. And I've got a list of like 5 here that we'll check out. And same deal, I've got my keyboard macros programmed. And like here's the first one. Basically, you can find these by doing a search for Powered by Expression Engine. They all look basically exactly the same. And same deal as before. Hit the record button. Bang, column 1, username, password 3, screen name, same thing, email address. Click it. It's going to be a capture. Bang, there it is. Same deal as creating bookmark signups. I'll do another one real quick. I'll just take that. Hit the record button. Username, password, screen name, email. Bang. There you go. Like I said, it's same deal as creating bookmark signups. Put it here. So here, let me do my list right now. I'm going to sign up for all this stuff, confirm the emails, and have a list ready to go. All right, so I've created a bunch of profile signups. It's like 5 in a row, and it looks just like the bookmark signups. And basically, I finished that. The next step is we need to build a profile data iMacro where we're going to upload, insert all the data that we want. And basically, here's an example of what we want to do. And we'll do this one too. Basically, we want a URL, birthday, location, occupation, interests, bio. We want to basically fill this in as much as possible. And also, we want to add a photo. And the last step is we actually want to save the URL, which is right here. This is why you can either ping it, put it into an RSS feed, or just link to it to yourself. This way you don't you can sort of remember where it is, and this also will help Google find this profile. All right, so let's do it. First, let me log out. And here we go. Actually, let me stop here. Let me start from this point here, just to remove one step. All right, hit the record button. Username. All right, I can't use my column tags at this moment because I need to get in. All right, we're here. Control panel. Let's edit the profile. And okay. Well, to fill this out is obviously we're going to be accessing this thing here, profile signups data. And as you notice, there's a whole bunch of things. Well, we need to make this a lot bigger. And the profile signups data CSV file looks like this. Login, email, password, 1, 2, 3. And this is going to cover a lot of different web properties out there. So basically, we're making it big enough to cover all bases now, and not just necessarily Expression Engine stuff. So we may need the first and last name, interest, location, occupation as columns, right? 6, 7, 8. A birthday that you can do. And now for the links. Column 13, macro recorder. This is the title. Sometimes this can be used as an anchor text. We have the full HTML with anchor text. And 15 is just a regular HTML. 16 is the BB code link, which comes with its own anchor text, and it's done like this. BB code is called bulletin board code. And now 17, 18, 19 is more of the same. Let's say we want a second link in there. So there's another one, bang, 18, HTML with anchor, straight URL, and BB code. So 20 columns. And all right, standard URL is number 15. I'm just going to pick a random birthday here. We're going to program that later. Location was 7. Occupation 8. Interests was 6. The bio box here can actually use an HTML link. So that was 14. Bang, hit the update. Let's add a photo. By the way, the photo is going to come from here. I created a folder called Photos. iMacro doesn't do this, and there's my photo already waiting here. You'll have to do that. Let's add a photo. And it's in Photos. There's my photo. Upload photo. All right, that should be everything. And then the last step, before we log out, we want to view the public profile. Here's the URL that we want to save, and then log out. And then stop it. All right. So here's the whole darn thing. And let me copy and start building this. Obviously, I've got the standard code all ready to go on the top here. All right, right off the bat, this is 1. Password was 3. And we're going down here, down to the birthday. And the trick is leave the % there, and we're just swapping the number out. The year was 11. And month was 10. Oops, okay. And day was 9. And I'm using the an Alt and Control and then Shift. You can for the keypad, so you can just keep adding beyond 9, 10. You can go up to 20. It gets a little more confusing, but that's how you do it. And you notice that, okay, I'm adding the photo, which is right here. And for you PC guys, it's going to look like this on your side of things. The C, Documents, Settings, User, iMacro's photo. That goes here. And then down here, I hit the View Public Profile. So at this point, I know that I was looking at the URL that I wanted to save. And how to save that now is with this code right here. Add extract, current URL. And then it'll save it into a CSV file, which you can change, Profile URLs CSV file. And it creates that file automatically. And that's going to go right there. Bang. Then so once it saves it, then it's going to log out. Alrighty. Save this. I should be logged out. Oh yeah. And then let's do this now. Let's play this back slower. And how you got to that is Edit, Options. Let's play this back. This iMacro at medium speed. And okay, away we go. Let's see if it does it. Bang, log in. Edit profile. Bang, 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 bang. There you go. See, I'm swapping out what I had done previously. Bang, bang, bang. Update. Uploading the photo. Fine. All right. Bang, it's done. And here in the Downloads folder is where it extracts the URL. Let's take a look at it. There you go. I'm member 1359. Obviously, remove this junk. And as you do this, the next one will appear down here, here, and here. And there you go. So you'll just have a list here ready to go to either ping, RSS feed, etc.